Congratulations,
Alex, ano yung
Alex. Nakuha mo rin yung $45 million Nike endorser.
Wow, napakasaya. Sobrang saya. It was super fun. So excited. So much energy. Yeah.
Maraming nag-comment after you won DC, you had a photo shoot, you traveled like, what? Talk about the photo shoot nila. Please, how amazing was that?
I mean, I was so happy. I feel like that was kind of my celebration, not to dress up and take good photos. I felt very empowered, felt very beautiful. So, yeah.
Yeah, you look like a